OER is very proud to present our reproduction of the original tail lamp lens assemblies designed for the 1979 through 1981 Firebird Trans Am models. Meticulously manufactured to exact specifications for an authentic fit and finish, each injection molded lens is designed to install as the original. Officially licensed by General Motors, the OER reproduction lens features the correct OEM markings modeled into each lens and painted black accents matching the original for complete authenticity. Each OER tail lamp assembly includes the inner stop lamp lens, inner clear backup lens, outer smoke tail lamp lens, and 5 retaining clips for installation. The OER tail lamp assemblies comes packaged in a specially designed box to protect each lens and ensure a safe delivery. OER, setting the standard for quality restoration parts.